The quickest method to grow a YouTube channel is by posting YouTube Shorts. In this video, you will learn how to make YouTube Shorts easily using a free AI tool. You won't need ChatGPT to write the script or 11 Labs to generate the voice, as this tool can handle all of that for you. It also allows you to create many YouTube Shorts every hour. This channel is in the history niche and makes videos on historical facts about historical figures or historical events. It also attracts over 54 million views in the past 30 days, which is more than the requirement for you to get monetized with Shorts. We found similar channels that do what we want to create and are already successful. According to Social Blade, it's an English channel that earns $217,000 per month. Since it's a Shorts channel, these numbers are unreliable, but even so, it's a significant amount of money. What's even more amazing is that the channel is only 7 months old and already making this kind of money. While our channel doesn't have the resources to produce high-quality shorts, we will just employ AI until we receive funding from YouTube and increase our level of production in order to compete with these types of channels. Now let's get into the tutorial. When you sign up for Fliki using the link in the pinned comment, you'll see this screen. Click on New File in the top right corner and give your file a name. It can be anything you like. It doesn't matter. Then, choose the language for your project. The good thing is you have access to more than 70 languages. For me, I'll choose English. Next, check the box that says Video and click on Create. On the left side, you can make manual changes to the video. Click on Choose File to change the background music, and you can also change the voiceover. You have different options here, such as the dialect, language, gender, and voice style of the voice actor. I recommend changing it to make it more professional. Here you can also change the stock footage, but this feature is only available with a Fliki Premium account, which costs $8 and you can get 10% off, so it's worth considering. Now go to Settings and change the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is the YouTube Shorts format. Keep these boxes checked and then click on Save. After that, go to Convert, then Idea to Video. Here you can type the idea you want to create, and Fliki will make a video based on that idea. It doesn't have to be complicated. It can be as simple as 3 facts about the pyramids or anything you want to create a video about. Set the style to Explainer and click Submit. After Fliki creates the video with stock footage and voiceover, we'll remove some scenes we don't like. These scenes are either duplicated or don't fit well in short videos. Additionally, I'll delete some text to make the video faster paced and more entertaining. It's essential to read and improve all the text as much as possible. Now let's watch the video to see what changes we can make. Go to the last scene and type, "Did you know about these?" This way, the end of the short complements the beginning, and viewers on YouTube won't know when the short is done. As a result, the retention time increases, and YouTube suggests our short to more people.
They ain't believe in us. God did.
Next, we'll go to the right side and put the caption in the middle. Then change the font to any style you prefer and set the size to large. Display the words one by one, and you can also change the color and adjust the background color's transparency. Click Apply to Similar Layers to apply these settings to every scene. Now let's see the difference. Okay, now let's export the video by clicking on the Export button. After that, I'll play the video to see how it looks. Watch until the end, as I'll explain how you can make money from this kind of videos.
3 facts about the pyramids of Egypt. The Great Pyramid of Giza stood as the tallest structure for over 3,800 years. Unearth the mystery behind their construction. Despite popular belief, the pyramids were not built by slaves, but by paid laborers. Dig deeper into the pyramids' purpose. They were not merely tombs, but served as a path for the pharaoh to ascend to the afterlife. Do you know about these?
Making money from YouTube Shorts can be achieved through several methods. Firstly, you can participate in the YouTube Partner Program, which allows you to earn revenue through ads displayed on your shorts. You can also leverage affiliate marketing by promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale generated through your shorts. Collaborating with brands and sponsors can also lead to financial opportunities. Engaging your audience with compelling content may result in more views and subscribers, increasing your chances of generating income through YouTube Shorts. Lastly, driving traffic to other platforms or your own website can help diversify your income streams through various means, such as selling merchandise or offering online courses. And that was it for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to know how my 7 days of YouTube Shorts experiment went, watch this video.